Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your location on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Now navigate to the Spotify website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change your location, you need to go to the profile settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on View Accounts. In the account section, you can see this Edit Profile option. Tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see the country or region is selected to USA. And if I tap on this drop-down list, it is unclickable right now. And right below that, you can see the Changing Your Country or Region link. Tap on it. So it will give you different options and insights on how to change your country location. If you have the premium account, you need to go to your account page and you need to update your payment method in order to change the location. But if you have the free account, you can simply go to your Edit Profile option and select a new country or region. I've explained how to do this for a free account in my Change Country for Spotify video. You can check that out. But for a premium account, you need to change your payment method in order to change your location. So how you can do this is go back. In your account settings page, in the account section, you can see this address option. Tap on it. Here you need to update your payment address. Only then you'll be able to change your location. You can update your street, you can update your towns, your state, zip code, and you can save this address. So that's how you can easily change your location on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.